Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It is so good to be back here with you today.
It's great to see you. How are you doing?
I am feeling fantastic, thank you. I had a very nice, quiet weekend. How about you?
I'm doing great. I am very excited about our topic for today.
Oh, yes. It's a topic that so many English learners ask about. It's a very big feeling.
A big feeling. Okay, I am curious. What is it?
Today, we are talking about this problem. I can understand English, but I can't speak.
Ah, yes, that is the number one problem. I hear this from so many people.
Me too. They say I can watch movies, I can listen to podcasts, but when I try to talk, my brain stops.
Yes, the words are gone.
It feels stuck.
Exactly. It feels like your voice is locked. But today, we're going to share some powerful and practical tips to help everyone unlock their English voice.
That sounds perfect. This is a very important episode.
It is. But wait, before we start, we have a small friendly request for all of you listening.
Yes, we do. If you like our podcast and you are learning with us, please take just 1 second to give this episode a like, a big thumbs up.
It really helps our channel grow and it helps other English learners find us. And please click that subscribe button for Mr. English Channel. That way you will never miss our new episodes. Thank you all so much. Your support is amazing. Okay, I am ready. My voice is locked. How do I find the key?
Okay, the first key is to change how you listen.
Change how I listen. But I already understand. Isn't that good?
Understanding is wonderful. It's step one. But we need to change our listening from passive to active.
Passive to active. What does that mean?
Passive listening is when you are doing other things. Maybe you are cleaning or driving, and the English is in the background. You understand, but you are not focused.
Ah, yes, I do that a lot.
Active listening is when you listen and you repeat.
Oh, so I hear a sentence and I say the sentence.
Yes, there is a wonderful technique called shadowing.
Shadowing, like my shadow on the ground?
Exactly like that. You become the shadow of the speaker. You listen to a podcast or a short video and try to repeat what the person says at the same time.
At the same time. Wow, that sounds very difficult.
It can be, so you can start small. Listen to one sentence, press pause, and then repeat the sentence.
Okay, listen, pause, repeat. I can do that.
And when you feel more confident, you can try to speak with the person. It's okay if it's not perfect.
I see. So I am not just hearing the English, I am making the English. I am practicing the sounds and the music of the language.
You said it perfectly. The music of the language. It trains your ears and your mouth to work together.
That's a great first tip. Active listening, shadowing. I like it. What's next?
The next tip is to create your English mode.
My English mode. What is that? Like a secret superhero?
Yes, it is. It's a time in your day when you only think and speak in English.
Only think in English? Oh, that's hard. My brain loves my first language.
Of course, but you can practice. The best way is to talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? Okay, people will think I'm a little crazy.
You can do it when you're alone. You just narrate your day.
Narrate? You mean say what I'm doing?
Yes. For example, when you're in the kitchen, you say, "Okay, I'm making coffee now. I need a cup. Where is the milk? Ah, the milk is in the fridge."
Oh, I can do that. I'm sitting in a studio. I'm talking to you. I'm happy.
See, you're doing it. Good job. It feels a little silly at first, but it is so powerful
Why is it powerful?
because it forces your brain to find the words. It's not just understanding, you have to produce the language.
Ah, my brain has to work. I need a cup. It's practice for real situations.
Exactly. Try it for just 5 or 10 minutes every day. That is your English mode.
Okay, I'll try. So I'm shadowing and I'm talking to myself. But what if I don't know the words? I stop because I'm searching.
That is a perfect question. And this is tip number 3. Stop memorizing single words.
Stop? Stop learning new words? But I need more words.
No. I mean stop memorizing lists of words like cat, dog, book, house. This is not very helpful for speaking.
So what should I learn?
You should learn chunks.
Chunks? Like a chunk of cake?
I like chunks of cake. But no, chunks are groups of words. They are phrases. They are sentence starters.
Okay, give me an example of a chunk.
Instead of learning the word point, learn the whole chunk. That's a good point.
That's a good point. I can use that in a conversation.
Yes. Or instead of learning the word mean, learn the chunk, you know what I mean.
You know what I mean. Or, that's interesting. Or, let me see.
Oh, these are like tools ready to use. I don't have to build the sentence.
Exactly. You don't have to think about grammar. You just use the chunk. It makes you sound natural and gives your brain time to think of the next idea.
Oh, these are like shortcuts for fluency. I love that. Learn chunks, not single words.
Yes. Now, the next tip is maybe the most important one.
Okay, I'm ready.
You must speak every single day.
Every day. Oh, I'm so busy. I have work. I'm tired. I don't have time.
It doesn't have to be 1 hour, just 5 or 10 minutes, but every day.
So 5 minutes every day is better than 2 hours on Saturday.
Yes, much, much better. Speaking English is a skill like playing the piano or football. You must practice often.
It keeps the English muscle in your brain active.
Yes. But then the next question is, who do I talk to?
Right. I'm shy. I don't live in an English-speaking country.
You can talk to your phone.
My phone? My phone doesn't answer me.
No, you use the voice recorder app. You record yourself.
Oh no, I don't want to do that. I hate my voice. I'll hear my bad accent.
No, your accent is not bad. Your accent is you. This is a very good tool. You can ask yourself a simple question.
Like what?
Like, what did I do today? And then you answer. You press record and say, today I woke up, I was tired, I went to work, I ate a sandwich for lunch.
And then I listen to the recording.
Yes, you listen and you think, oh, I said that very well. Or, that word was difficult. I'll practice that word.
So I am my own teacher.
You are. And there's no pressure. No one is watching. It's just you and your phone. It's fantastic practice.
Okay, I'll try it. It sounds a little scary, but I see why it's a good idea.
It is. And here's another fun way to practice, very similar, role playing.
Role playing, like in a movie.
Yes, you imagine a situation. You're at a restaurant, at the airport, or in a job interview.
And I talk to the wall?
Yes, you talk to the wall or your dog or cat. You pretend. You can be both people.
Okay, let's try. Hello, sir. Welcome. What would you like to order?
I would like a pizza, please.
A pizza. Okay. And to drink.
I'll have a water, please.
This is fun.
It is fun, and it trains your brain to react in English. It prepares you for real situations.
So when you are really at a restaurant, your brain doesn't freeze.
It doesn't freeze. Exactly. This trains your brain to improvise. I love this idea. Now, we have to talk about the biggest, scariest monster in the room.
A monster. Oh no, what is it?
The fear of mistakes.
Ah, yes. That is a very big monster. I understand. But I don't speak because I'm afraid. My grammar might be wrong. People might laugh.
Everyone feels this way. Every single learner. But I want to tell everyone a secret.
A secret. Tell us.
Mistakes are your friends.
My friends, no. Mistakes are bad. They're red pens on my test.
No, in speaking, mistakes are good. A mistake is proof that you are trying, proof that you are brave.
I never thought of it that way. A mistake means I am brave.
Yes, you cannot learn to speak without making many mistakes. Fluency comes after mistakes, not before.
Wow, that's a big idea. So I should just